Hey guys, this is Miss Burkholder. Today we're going to learn about the associative property of multiplication. Our essential question for tonight is, how can you use the associative property of multiplication to find products? Remember, products are the answer to multiplication problems. We're going to connect or think about what we've learned before. We've learned about the associative property of addition, which says that when the grouping of addends is changed, the sum stays the same. So, we use parentheses to group things together. 2 plus 3 would equal 5, plus 4 would equal a total of 9, and 3 plus 4 would equal 7, plus 2 more would also equal 9. This is the same idea that we will have with the associative property of multiplication. It states that when the grouping of the factors is changed, the product is the same. It is also called the grouping property of multiplication. Over here, I wanted to point out that this is an important math idea. Always multiply the numbers inside the parentheses first. Let's go ahead and unlock the problem. Each car on the roller coaster has 2 rows of seats. Each row has 2 seats. There are 3 cars in each train. How many seats are on each train? The first thing we want to do is underline what you need to find. So, we're going to underline our question, how many seats are on each train? I'm going to double underline the words each because that gives me a very important clue that we're going to multiply. I'm also going to circle the numbers that we're paying attention to. 2 rows of seats, 2 seats on each row, 3 cars in each train. So we're going to use an array right here to think about our train. You can use an array to show 3 times 2 times 2. So I can group my 2 times 2's together. So this would be a 2 times 2 group, this would be a 2 times 2 group, and this would be a 2 times 2 group. So 3 times 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 times 4 equals a total of 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are 3 cars with 4 seats in each car. There are 12 seats on each roller coaster train. You can change the grouping with parentheses, and the product is the same. So I'm going to draw arrays for this as well. If I had 3 rows of 2, and I'm going to have 2 of those, my total is still going to equal 12 because 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is going to equal 12. Here we can count by 3's, 3, 6, 9, and 12. Alright guys, can't wait to practice with you tomorrow. Have a great day!